So startup procedure after transport is to turn the generator into the remote start function and pull out our e-stops. Next step, let's open our cabinet and switch on all our batteries. Now these will take about 30 seconds to start up and will indicate that they're on by a blue light. If the blue light doesn't come on after 30 seconds, just cycle the on-off switch again. They're all on. Now we can do our recharge start. Push and hold. When the pre-charge indicator comes on, we can turn on our main breaker. Now that light's come on, we can turn our main breaker into the on position, and the blue light indicates that we're now running. Connect your earth electrode to this point and insert into the ground. With the green light flashing, the earth leakage relay is functioning. If we're hardwiring into a building, we can disable the earth leakage relay and we cannot remove the key.